Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to activate Qlink wireless eSIM. But first, we need to actually check if our device is eSIM compatible. Okay, make sure your phone actually supports eSIM and it's actually unlocked. So for iPhones, usually iPhone XR and newer models, they do support eSIM. For Androids, many Samsung, Google Pixel, and actually Motorola devices support eSIM. And if you're unsure, what you can just do is it dial, hash 06 hash to check for an EID number. And if it shows up, then your phone supports eSIM. Okay? And what you can also do is you can go ahead and request your Qlink eSIM, right? Just open up a browser, go to the Qlink wireless website, log into your Qlink account, and you want to look for the option to basically activate eSIM, or just look for the eSIM activation and just follow the on-screen prompts, the on-screen instructions to get your QR code or activation details. Then you just go ahead and activate the Qlink eSIM on your device, right? So if you're using an iPhone, go to settings, click on cellular, then click on add eSIM, and then just select use QR code and just scan the Qlink eSIM QR code. And if you're prompted, you just need to enter the SMDP plus address. This will actually be provided by Qlink, and just follow the activation prompts and you can restart your phone. And there you go, it will be activated. For Android, usually for Samsung and Pixel phones, you just open up your settings, click on connections, and then go to your SIM manager. Okay, now here, tap add mobile plan. And just go ahead and choose a scan QR code, and just go ahead and scan the Qlink eSIM QR code, or you can also enter the activation details manually. Just go ahead and confirm and then restart your phone. Okay, and then at the end you can just verify the activation and just test your connection, right? Make sure Wi-Fi is turned off. Check if you see a Qlink or signal bar in the top corner of your phone, and you can just try making a test call or sending a text to confirm activation, right? And if data isn't working, just go to settings and then go to mobile network and then APN settings and enter the Qlink APN. This will usually be found on the Qlink website. And if you still need extra support, if the activation doesn't work, you can call them at their number. This is their number. Okay, and you can also use the Qlink website chat for troubleshooting. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.